To create a sales quotation, open the Sales tab and click on the Quotations menu item. From the list of sales quotation, click on Add New button. A pop-up will appear to give you options to either create a quotation or a sales order. Choose Create Quotation here. On the quotations form, choose the customer. You can do that by simply putting first few words of customer name. All Sparrow drop-downs can be searched like this. Some fields are auto-filled, but you can change if you wish. Select payment terms as appropriate and click Save button. Now that our primary details are saved, we add products to this quotation. Click on the Edit button and then click on plus icon here that will bring up Add Product pop-up. You can select the product by simply typing few words of product name. Alternatively, you can also search by article number by clicking this checkbox. Input other required details and click Save. Importing products from a spreadsheet is another faster way to add products. Click on the Import Products icon here and then download a template if you are doing this first time. The template will have some sample data, but otherwise it's simple and self-explanatory. Prepare your data in a sheet and then upload the file in Import Pop-up. A preview will be shown to make sure every column is mapped properly. You can adjust the mapping if you wish. If everything looks okay, click on Import button. That will add all products from sheet into a quotation. Similarly, you can export the existing list of products to a spreadsheet as well. Now we have our quotation ready. It is time now to send it to the customer. Click on the Send Quotation button that will show a pop-up. Here you can see the email to which we are sending the quotation. A PDF copy of the quotation is already attached. You can attach additional files if you wish. You may change the details before you click on the Send button. If you do not want to send actual email, then you can also use the Send Without Email link on the left. That will mark the quotation sent, but no email would be generated. After the quotation is sent, its status changes to quoted and it will appear in the quoted list.